Students, welcome back to our grammar class. Today let's study Grammar Way lesson 16, subject verb agreement, page number 76, subject verb agreement. So here in this chapter we are going to study certain conditions under which the subject in a sentence agrees with the verb to make a meaningful sentence. Okay, so there is an agreement between a subject and a verb in a sentence. So, what are the agreements between subject and verb? So, here first an example is given. The girl talks courteously. The girls talk courteously. Same sentence, but in the first sentence, the subject is singular. The girl. Only one girl. So the subject is singular. So we take S form or des form of the verb. If the subject is singular, we take S form. If the subject is plural, we take do form. That is the root form of the verb. Okay, if the subject is singular, we take S form. If the subject is plural, we take do form. Okay, so we can see that the subject and verb agree with each other in number. Number means singular, plural. If the subject is singular, the verb is singular. And if the subject is plural, the verb is also plural. So that is the agreement. If the subject is singular, subject singular aanengil, we take singular verb. If the subject is plural, we take plural verb. Okay, so there are certain rules. So what are those rules? Rules of agreement between subject and verb. First one, we follow some rules for subject verb agreement. First one, when the subject of a sentence is composed of two or more nouns or pronouns joined by and, the verb is plural. Okay, so two subjects are combined with and, joined by and, we use plural. For example, the cat and dog. So here cat and dog, two different subjects but combined, joined by the conjunction and. In these sentences we take plural verb where. Where is plural. Okay, Shreya and her cousins are. So are and where plural. So first rule, if two subjects are combined by joined by and, we take plural verb. Okay. Then next rule, when the subject consists of two singular nouns joined by and express a single idea, the verb is singular. For example, bread and butter. Okay. Two singular, bread, cheese, not bread and butter, bread and cheese. Okay, singular nouns, but it is joined by the conjunction and bread and cheese is harmful for health. So it conveys, express a single idea. In such sentences we use singular. Okay, so bread and cheese is, bread and jam. Okay, cup and saucer. Then next one, when two singular nouns are joined by and refers to the same person, the verb is singular. Okay, when the two singular noun, that is actor and singer, is very popular in this part of the country. So here we can see two singular nouns, but these two nouns refer to the same person. ഒരേ ആളെ തന്നെയാണ് ഇത് സൂചിപ്പിക്കുന്നത്. The actor and singer, one person refers to one person. So in such situations we can use what? Is. Okay, then when the definite article the is used with two singular nouns to refer to two persons, that is the painter and the sculptor are modest in speech and behavior. So here what the painter and the sculptor, two different singular subjects, but they refer to two persons. First one is referring to a painter, second one sculptor. Okay, so are, that is why are is used when it refers to two different persons. When it is same person, we use singular. When it is refers to different persons, we use what a plural. Okay, when two or more singular nouns are or pronouns are joined by or nor, oro noro konde singular nouns join ചെയ്താൽ the verb is singular. Okay, Rita or Vinita has arranged. Rita or Vinita, Rita അല്ലെങ്കിൽ Vinita. So it refers to one person, either Rita or Vinita. Okay, so has. Then the pen or pencil is on the table. Sometimes pen is on the table, sometimes pencil is on the table. So either one. So that is why is used here. Or വരുമ്പോൾ is ആണ്. Then when a singular and plural noun or pronoun are joined by or nor, the verb agrees with the subject closer to the verb. Closer എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ സബ്ജക്റ്റിൻ്റെ തൊട്ടടുത്ത് നിൽക്കുന്ന. The verb agrees with the subject closer to the verb. For example, the magazines or the book has been borrowed from the library. Okay, the magazines or the book. ഇവിടെ രണ്ട് സബ്ജക്റ്റ് ഉണ്ട്, മാഗസീൻസും ഉണ്ട്, ദ ബുക്കും ഉണ്ട്. ഫസ്റ്റ് മാഗസീൻസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് പ്ലൂറലാണ്. Okay, magazines plural, but whereas the second subject the book is singular. അപ്പോൾ ഇത്തരം സെൻറ്റൻസിൽ that is when a singular or plural noun or pronoun are joined by or nor, ഓറോ നോറോ വെച്ചിട്ട് ജോയിൻ ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും നമ്മൾ ഏത് വെർബ്, ഏത് സബ്ജക്റ്റാണ് എടുക്കേണ്ടത്, ആ വെർബിനോട് തൊട്ടടുത്ത് നിൽക്കുന്ന സബ്ജക്റ്റ് സിംഗുലർ ആണെങ്കിൽ സിംഗുലർ എഴുതുക, പ്ലൂറൽ ആണെങ്കിൽ പ്ലൂറൽ എഴുതുക. ഓക്കെ, ദ മാഗസീൻസ് ഓർ ദ ബുക്ക്. ഹിയർ ഈ വെർബ് കണ്ടോ, ഹാസിൻ്റെ അടുത്ത് കിടക്കുന്നത് ദ ബുക്കാണ്. തൊട്ടടുത്ത് കിടക്കുന്ന സബ്ജക്റ്റ് ഈസ് ദ ബുക്ക്. ദ മാഗസീൻ കുറച്ച് ദൂരെയാണ് കിടക്കുന്നത്. സോ രണ്ടാമത് അതിൻ്റെ അടുത്ത് കിടക്കുന്ന വെർബിൻ്റെ അനുസരിച്ച് സെൻറ്റൻസ് എഴുതും. ഓക്കെ, ദ മാഗസീൻസ് ഓർ ദ ബുക്ക്. ദ ബുക്കാണ് നമ്മളവിടെ കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യുന്നത്, അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഹാസ് ഇസ് യൂസ്ഡ്. Okay, like that. Neither mother nor her friends know. Friends, here friends ആണ് നമ്മൾ എടുക്കുന്നത്. Friends plural, so do form is used. No. Okay. Then the words such as each one, either, neither, everyone, everybody, anybody, anyone, nobody, somebody, someone, and no one are singular and require a singular verb. So all these are considered to be what? Singular verb മാത്രമേ നമ്മൾ ഇതിൻ്റെ കൂടെ എടുക്കാറുള്ളൂ. Somebody, everybody, neither. Okay. Then when two subjects are joined by either or neither nor, the verb agrees with the second subject in number and plural. രണ്ട് സബ്ജക്റ്റിനെ either or neither or കൊണ്ട് ജോയിൻ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ we take the second subject. Either Nitin or you. Here we take you. സെക്കൻഡ് സബ്ജക്റ്റാണ് എടുക്കുന്നത്. ഹാവ്, യു വന്നതുകൊണ്ട് നമ്മൾ ഹാവ് ടേക്ക് ചെയ്തു. ഓക്കെ, നെയ്തർ ഹരീഷ് നോർ ഹീ, we take he here, so has came. Okay, then when two subjects are joined by as well as or with, the verb agrees with the first subject in number. As well as withum വരുമ്പോൾ we take the first subject. The manager as well as his secretary speaks very confidently. So here we take the manager. First subject the manager. The principal with all his teachers was. ഇത് കണ്ടോ, ഇതിപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ എടുക്കുന്നത് ഫസ്റ്റ് ദ പ്രിൻസിപ്പൽ, ഫസ്റ്റ് സബ്ജക്റ്റ് മാത്രമേ വരത്തുള്ളൂ. വിത്ത് വന്നതുകൊണ്ട് ഫസ്റ്റ് സബ്ജക്റ്റ്. സെക്കൻഡ് സബ്ജക്റ്റ് ആണെങ്കിൽ പ്ലൂറൽ ആണ്, ഓൾ ദ ടീച്ചേഴ്സ്, അത് നമ്മൾ എടുക്കില്ല, കോമ ഇട്ട് അതിനെ മാറ്റിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. സോ ദ പ്രിൻസിപ്പൽ വാസ് പ്രസൻറ്റ് ഫോർ ദ പ്രോഗ്രാം. ഓക്കെ, Then nouns such as scissors, tweezers, spectacles, trousers, shears, then what, require plural verb. Idinokka plural. The trousers are, spectacles are, okay, tweezers are, scissors are, etc. Then the sentence beginning with there is, there are, the subject follows the verb. Since there is or there are is not the subject, the verb agrees with what follows. So there are many issues to be resolved. There is one problem. ഇതുകൊണ്ട് there are ഇവിടെ ആറ് വന്ന് എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ്, മെനി ഇഷ്യൂസ് പ്ലൂറലാണ്. ഹിയർ ദെയർ ഈസ് വന്ന് എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ്, വൺ പ്രോബ്ലം. ഈ ദെയർ എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഒരു സബ്ജക്റ്റായിട്ട് കൂട്ടില്ല. അത് കഴിയുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ വേർബ് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് വരുന്നതിനെയാണ് എടുക്കുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ. The collective nouns generally take singular verb. Collective nouns എല്ലാം സിംഗുലർ ആണ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഫാമിലി ഓൾവേസ്, ദ കമ്മിറ്റി അപ്രീഷിയേറ്റ്സ്, ഡസ് ഫോം, ഡസ് വരുന്നത് സിംഗുലർ ആണ്, എസ് ഫോം വരുന്നത് സിംഗുലർ ആണ്. സംടൈംസ് the subject of a sentence is a phrase. The verb agrees with the subject and not with the noun or pronoun in the phrase. That is, one of the books is missing. So one of the books, here the verb agrees with the subject and not the noun or pronoun. Here this is one of the books. One of the books is missing. എല്ലാ ബുക്കും അല്ല, ഒരു ബുക്കാണ് മിസ്സിങ്. സോ വൺ ഓഫ് ദ ബുക്ക് സിംഗുലർ, അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഇവിടെ ഈസ് വന്നത്. ഓക്കെ. So fill in the blanks with correct words from the brackets. One has been done for you. The play with the break last. Play singular. Okay. Either my bag or my shoes. Either or വരുമ്പോൾ second, okay, are always missing. So this volunteer group rushes to aid people hit by the natural disaster. The price of most of the cars has, here subject is the price. Okay. Then Rohan with all his cousins goes. Rohan വിത്ത് വരുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് സബ്ജക്റ്റ് ആണ് എടുക്കുന്നത്. ഗോസ് ഫോർ ദ ട്രക്കിംഗ്. നെയ്തർ ദ പ്രസിഡൻറ്റ് നോർ ദ വൈസ് പ്രസിഡൻറ്റ് പ്രിസൈഡ്സ്. നെയ്തർ നോർ വരുമ്പോൾ പ്രിസൈഡ്സ്, പ്രസിഡൻറ്റ് ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ. ഓക്കെ. എവറി കണ്ടസ്റ്റൻറ്റ് ഈസ്, എവറി വരുമ്പോൾ സിംഗുലർ ഈസ്. ബീന ആൻഡ് ഹെർ സിസ്റ്റർ ലൈക്ക്. ബീന ആൻഡ് ഈസ് joined by two different subjects, so like. Then rewrite. There are some mistakes here. Rewrite these sentences correctly. Okay. Stalin and the mayor was grazing in the meadows. Okay. So here was in the question, was is given, but in the answer where. So two subjects are there. Okay. Stalin and the mayor. Then the magician and acrobat. Magician and acrobat are ready. Magician and acrobat same persons, referring to same person, so is. Has your new spectacles been delivered? Not has. Have your. Okay. Neither James nor Varun has is correct. One of the books in this collection is. One of the books are. So the players as well as the captain are. Players as well as the captain are worth watching. Then Mrs. Das, whose sisters are lawyers, lives in my neighborhood. Live alla lives on Mr. Das. Then there are several thoughts that is bothering me. There are several thoughts plural, so are bothering me. Okay. Then fill in the blanks with correct form of the verbs in bracket. Use present tense. So none of the members is happy with decision. Then the guitarist and singer dash promptly to emails. So response, the guitarist and singer same person. The tigers as well as lioness are. Okay. Tigers as well as lioness, first subject. Every contestant receives, every വരുമ്പോൾ singular, so yes form. Either a man or you have to carry. Okay. Then wear dash your trousers. Where are your trousers? Mathematics is. Birds of a feather flock together. Birds of a feather. Then rewrite this passage correctly. So I have corrected this passage here. First one, uh, one of my friends here is ഉണ്ട് ഞാൻ എഴുതാൻ മറന്നു is one of my friends is a painter. Her name is Limma as well as her sister is artistic by nature. Then is ആറാകും. Then what, likes, encourages. So like that you have to correct it and write. Okay, then each of these sentences has an error. Underline the error and write correct word. Okay, that also I have written there. So that is subject verb agreement. Okay, so do all the exercises. Now let us study one more lesson, lesson 21, prepositions. Okay, prepositions. So here in this chapter we are going to read about prepositions of place, time and movement. Prepositions of place, time and movement. Prepositions are words that are placed before a noun or pronoun to show their relation to some other word in the sentence. So it is used just before, placed before a noun or a pronoun to show the relation to some other word in the sentence. So we will meet Anshul at the main entrance. Okay, when Hima placed the book on the table, then the tulips were arranged in the vase. Okay, the highlighted words are called prepositions of place. Okay, Anshul at the main entrance. Where? At the main entrance. Then on the table, in the vase. So all these refers to place. Prepositions of place are used to indicate where things are. ഒരു സാധനം എവിടെയാണെന്ന് മനസ്സിലാക്കാനായിട്ട് നമ്മൾ prepositions of place is used. At, on, in are some of the more common prepositions of place. At, on, in. So we generally use at for a specific place or point, on for surface and in for an enclosed place. Okay. So not, at, on and in can also be used as prepositions of time. Attum, onum, innum. We can use it as prepositions of time also. Time reference-ന് നമുക്ക് യൂസ് ചെയ്യാം. place reference-നും നമുക്കത് യൂസ് ചെയ്യാം. Okay. Then fill in the blanks with at, on. At, on or in. Okay. So the little boy was sitting on the bench. Okay, this Rahul was at the station. Rahul was at the station. The bakery is dash the end of. The bakery is at the end of the. Then the post will be delivered in the house. Delivered in the house. The father is in Germany. The book was placed dash in the drawer. Okay, the photograph was hung on the wall. Then Nita saw a strange lady at the gate. Okay, here answer is given. Then prepositions of time. Prepositions of time എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ ഏതൊക്കെയാണ്? in, at, in, on. Okay, prepositions of time. At for a specific time, in for months, years, long period, on for dates and days. Okay, at ആണെങ്കിൽ ഒരു സ്പെസിഫിക് ടൈം, at 4 PM, at 3 PM സ്പെസിഫിക് ടൈം പറയാൻ at യൂസ് ചെയ്യും. മന്ത്സും ഇയറും വരുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും നമ്മൾ സീസൺസ് ഒക്കെ പറയുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും നമ്മൾ in യൂസ് ചെയ്യും. on for month, days, etc. we use on. Then fill in the blanks with correct prepositions of time from the brackets. Okay. Rajesh stayed in Darjeeling for 2 weeks. Okay. Beena has been absent since Monday. Beena has been absent since Monday. Since is the answer. Then next one, please complete the work by time. Then next is Rita is leaving for Bangkok in. Rahul will meet his friend at annual sports day at school will be held on. Then this famous monument was constructed in. Then we have not heard from Harish for nearly 2 months. Okay. So here is the answer. Then prepositions of movement. Prepositions of movement ഇതൊക്കെയാണ് across, towards, over. Prepositions of movement. Prepositions of movement are used to show movement from or to a place. Movement from or to a place. Okay, then fill in the blanks with correct prepositions. Many cars, the horse. Then the horse jumped over. The horse jumped over. Okay, then they walked along. Then Rita went up. Okay, Tim ran round. Then helicopter flew over. The baby crawled towards. Then Harish is an excellent swimmer. He can swim across. Then we enjoyed through. Okay, here is your answer. Then fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. Some prepositions are given there. We have to fill all the blanks using these prepositions given in the bracket. Okay, many cars were lined up at the crossing. Then Raj was thrilled with. Varun and his friends waited with breathless anticipation. With. Do you have any information about? Okay, do you have any information about? The students got into. The zookeeper decided to go inside. We went through. THROUGH. Then there was immense damage caused by the storm. Okay, so here is the answer. So that's all for today. Do all the exercises. These two chapters I will include for your annual exam. So study well. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.